midfielder for Portmore United.
All right, Martin, yesterday we spoke with you and you were very excited and pumped for the game today. Now you went out there, you were all over the pitch and you got that go-ahead goal that set the tone for Portmore United. How good does it feel to know that you were possibly the man of the match?
It's a great feeling. I'm not satisfied though, and the team is not satisfied either, and that's the best thing, that means that we have a higher ceiling. So we just need to come together and keep thinking about the games and keep thinking about being consistent. But it felt really good to get the first goal on the day.
It was a Portmore derby and it definitely did live up to its expectations. Tackles were flying, red cards, one on either team, on either side. How was it that you could? How were you able to get the team calm, keep the team under control, keeping the ball advanced, and just keeping the flow of the game and just keeping the advantage for your team?
At the end of the day, it's professional football, and you have to be prepared for war, and I think that's what we're prepared for. So we went out there and we tackled and we put out a good spirit. So I'm really proud of the guys for the effort that they put in, even when the tensions were high. The best thing I could do is keep myself calm, and then hopefully all the teammates can see that and follow suit. And I think they did.
I think you had a wonderful game for me. I think you were the man of the match. I'm not sure what it officially is, but I'm expecting to see a lot more of these kind of performances from you. And I know as your fitness goes on, I know that you will be very vital for this Portmore United team. All right, good luck.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
The first game, what really was different from where you're coming from as to where you are now?
I mean, it's a bit more rougher. The surfaces are different. The sun is much more hotter. So just a little bit of stuff to get used to, but it will come.
Right. And your first training session and things with the guys, how was that coming into this first game? What was the atmosphere like?
Feels like a family, and we just won 2-0 and everybody's not satisfied. So that's the attitude.
And what more you think you can work on in terms of your game as the season progresses? Because you still have a long way to go.
I can be much more sharper. This wasn't everything that I could give. I still can get much more fitter, but it's about adapting, and I know that I can give one to the team.